I'm CJ, and I'm going to show you how to use Falstad to simulate circuits in real time. Mostly the circuits we do are on paper, right? But here we're going to be able to visualize the circuits, how the current is passing, the speed of the electrons. Let's do this. So when I enter the website, I go to circuit simulator, then I go to full screen version, right? Okay, so since I'm using my mobile phone, I turn it so that I can really see the screen well. Okay, so I'm trying to zoom out, right? Then I click on the element, but before then I realize there's already a circuit there. Falstad is just showing us what it can do, right? So this is just a dummy circuit. I click on that, I press the scissors, it takes it away. Scissors takes it away. Okay, so now we have to check on our diagram that we're going to simulate and simulate it right here. Okay, so this is our assignment, right? Ideally we are supposed to use Thevenin's theorem to find the current in the 5 ohm resistor, but we'll see how we can easily do that using Falstad without having to do the long Thevenin theorem processes. Okay, so I'm noting the resistors I have to put in place. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 resistors. So my resistor, this is my resistor, right? 1, 2, then there's a third one, 3. Okay, so I tap on it to position it well, right? Tap on it to position it well. Okay, so 3 resistors on top, then these 2 resistors, the 3 ohm and the 2 ohm resistors. Okay, I realized that I'm trying to align the nodes together, right? So that the red dot there disappears for good. So I'm trying to click on it. And add it to the node, yes. Click on this one too. Oh, it's normal if it's trying to misbehave, yeah. Then put this exactly on the node. It prevents any short circuits or my thing from functioning. Okay, so this resistor is too long, so let me clean it and bring another resistor, right? So I think it's okay. Yeah, it's fine now. Then what do we have? We have another resistor. We have the 2 ohm resistor. Okay, so it's still on the resistor button, so I connect it. Yes, don't worry about the values now, we can always change it later. Then we have the voltage sources. We have a 7 volts on the left and 10 volts on the right. So let's do those ones. So voltage sources, right? So I click them on my toolbox bar, select what I want. First voltage, second voltage. I tap on the voltage bar back so that it goes away, so I can be able to move it around. If you don't disable it from the toolbar, you can't move it around. It's keep on creating new voltage. Just okay. So yes, I want to note something over here. You see the polarity the polarity over here, right? On the 7 volts, the positive terminal is facing upward, right? It's toward the B. So I do that, and then for the 10 volt, the positive terminal is facing downward. So let's do that. For 7, positive is going up, then 10 is the other way around. So I have to change this. I have to flip it. So I'll long press it, right? Then I'll flip Y. Yes. So I've done this now, right? It's red, but don't mind that for now. So I now have to close my loop, right? AD and FH. So let's do that. I tap a wire, then it didn't reach. Okay, let me go back, touch a wire. Okay, touch a wire. Nope, go back. You see, since it's not going, I'll click on the resistor, then I'll cut it, right? It goes away to make a shorter resistor wire, a shorter voltage wire that can fit over here. Or I'll click on the old voltage, long press, then I'll duplicate it so that I get the same length, right? Then I put it over there. Yes. Then I have to flip it, right? So long press, then flip Y. Okay. That's how it is. For the 7 volts over here, we see the positive is facing upward. So we have to long press, flip Y. Good. So yes. So now we close the loop with a wire, right? So yes. So now we are done drawing our circuit. It's now time for us to label the values. So let's quickly check. So on the top it is 2, 5, and 2 ohm. A long press on the resistor, edit, two. It shouldn't be in K because we didn't get it in K, right? Yeah. So long press on the resistor. No. Long press, edit. This is 5. Long press on the resistor, edit. This is 2. Okay, so I'm editing the voltage, right? This voltage, it was 5. No, sorry, it was 7. Yes, okay. Then this voltage was edit, it's 10. If you're a little bit lost, that's from the question. You see the left hand side is 7, then the right is 10, right? Okay. So yes, for the resistors, so 3, 2, and 2. So let's do them. Oh, it's not coming. Yes, edit. So 3 ohms. You realize the way the electron flow changes when we reduce the resistance? Note this. Study the way the current is flowing to the 1K, right? So I select it. Select, long press, edit, 2. Do you see the way the speed of the electrons just increase. So long press, edit, 2 ohms, done. Okay, yeah, so we're basically done simulating our circuits. Now over here, you're supposed to find the currents in the 5 ohm resistor. Instead of applying Thevenin, we can just click on the 5 ohm resistor. Then guess what? We see the current, right? I is equal to 1 amperes. We can click on the 2 ohm resistor. I is equal to 2 amperes, right? We can click on the 3 ohm resistor. 3 ohm resistor over here. You can see when you click on it, it highlights blue. That's the 1 ohm resistor now. So for the 5 ohm resistor, which is now highlighted, the current is 1. You can see it's resistor, then I is equal to 1 amperes. So that's it.